We're in the airport. We're about to board our flight to Korea. Are you excited? Why you look like that? What are you looking at?
I don't know where I... Oh, wait.
We're all the way at the end, 97. Are you ready for this? How long is this flight?
12 and a half hours. I think.
We've got quite a long flight ahead of us. I'm gonna try and make a video with this and see if I can vlog with it.
Cool.
So we just landed in Korea, just got through customs. Now we are trying to get our bags now from baggage claim. And then we have like an hour drive to the hotel. I think we're both excited for new snacks. You might not be excited for shopping, but I'm excited to take pictures at this spot. Oh yes, the night market. Are you tired? I'm a little tired, but we gotta go shopping in a little bit. So we're gonna settle in. We're gonna settle in, charge up our phones, and then go to the shopping mall, and then get dinner later. I do want to go on, not a tour, but I do want to go to the palace and all that good stuff.
Yeah, we were going to it.
Cool.